The power of nature is unlimited, and sometimes it is enough to just raise your head to see it. The image of the clouds that you see today is very rare and has a rather frightening appearance. You may think that this is a montage, but it is not. Hi there, and today we present to you 10 unexplained mysteries in the sky caught on camera. The amateur photographer caught on camera a cloud in the form of a human head. The video clearly shows the nose, chin, and smiling mouth. A few seconds later, the cloud changed its shape. In this video, the cloud took a distinct face, resembling a woman in a headscarf. At first, the cloud showed half the face, but after a few seconds, the cloud moved slightly and the second part of the face appeared. Look carefully. Is it not a miracle? In 2014, clouds with a human face were captured in the sky. This ominous face looked at the city for about a half an hour, after which it began to rain heavily. What do you think it is? Unusual clouds or something supernatural? Write in the comments. And this cloud, in the form of a giant anthropoid figure, for more than half an hour hung in the sky. Many eyewitnesses who watched this strange atmospheric phenomenon fled in horror, while some began to pray, taking the cloud for God's sign. Against the background of the blue sky, this cloud looks like a witch on a broomstick. What do you think it is? This cloud is like an animal no one can deny. It only remains as to what kind of animal it is. Write your opinions in the comments. The passenger of this plane photographed in the clouds a strange figure of a man. This unexplained frame was made at an altitude of over 9,000 meters above the ground. The figure disappeared after about 2 minutes, and there is no official explanation of the object on the photo yet. This entry was made in 2007 on a mobile phone. In a matter of days, it had become the most popular and discussed topic on the internet. News outlets began to run with it. "The Eyes of God" was the name of the video by those who posted it online. Those who have seen this all with their own eyes say that clouds can't stay in one place and in the same position. Did someone really look at people at that moment? July 2013. Strange clouds over the west part of the USA. Just look at them. We can't explain it. Residents of a Brazilian city were very frightened by the appearance of a strange and frightening cloud. This caused many to think, maybe this is the beginning of something much more sinister. People began to panic, believing that a tornado was now being formed, but this did not happen. An unusual cloud was observed only for 4 minutes and then disappeared. Residents called this strange phenomenon the Hand of God and Cloud of Apocalypse. What do you think about these clouds? Is this some kind of supernatural phenomenon? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.